Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Factohr HR Employee Portal online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in factorhr.com. Then you'll come across this official page. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on the login option. Here you'll have to enter your email address or mobile number associated with your account. Then click on the submit button. Afterwards, you'll have to enter your password and click on the login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Factohr HR Employee Portal online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.